Tired of lugging around heavy vacuums? Meet the AIRDIYA VG3, your new cleaning companion. A clean home brings joy. It's a sanctuary where we feel comfortable and at peace. But traditional cleaning methods? Often they feel more like chores than acts of love for our homes. The AIRDIYA VG3 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner changes everything. It's not just about cleaning, it's about transforming your entire cleaning routine. Imagine effortless vacuuming, powerful suction, and the freedom to move from room to room without constraint. This innovative vacuum cleaner is designed to make cleaning enjoyable and efficient. It's time to say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to a cleaner, healthier home. At the heart of the AIRDIYA VG3 lies a powerful 180-watt motor designed to tackle even the toughest cleaning tasks with ease. This is no ordinary motor. It's engineered to deliver exceptional suction power, ensuring that every corner of your home is spotless. Effortlessly lifting dust, dirt and debris from all surfaces, the AIRDIYA VG3 makes cleaning a breeze, whether it's carpets, hardwood floors or tiles. Choose from 2 suction modes: standard for everyday cleaning, perfect for maintaining a clean home, and boost for those stubborn messes that require extra power. The boost mode is ideal for deep cleaning sessions, tackling pet hair and ground-in dirt. The AIRDIYA VG3 doesn't just clean, it deep cleans, reaching deep into carpet fibers and floor crevices to remove hidden dirt. And what about the air you breathe? Clean air is just as important as clean floors. The AIRDIYA VG3 is equipped with advanced HEPA filtration, capturing even the smallest particles. This system traps dust mites, pollen and other allergens, ensuring that your home is not only clean but also healthier. Releasing cleaner, fresher air back into your home, the AIRDIYA VG3 helps create a healthier living environment for you and your family. The AIRDIYA VG3 understands that cleaning shouldn't feel like a workout. That's why it's designed with a lightweight, ergonomic handle. Effortlessly glide the vacuum across your floors, carpets, and upholstery. Tired of struggling to keep your vacuum upright? The AIRDIYA VG3 features a convenient self-standing design. Pause your cleaning at any time without having to lean it against furniture or search for a wall to prop it against. Cleaning should be a mindful practice, not a back-breaking chore. The AIRDIYA VG3's thoughtful design ensures a comfortable and enjoyable cleaning experience. Versatility at its finest. 6 attachments for every nook and cranny. The AIRDIYA VG3 is designed to meet all your cleaning needs with precision and ease. Every home is unique with its own cleaning challenges. From dusty corners to pet hair on the sofa, each space demands a different approach. The AIRDIYA VG3 rises to the occasion with 6 versatile attachments, each designed for a specific purpose. Whether it's a crevice nozzle for tight spots or a dusting brush for delicate surfaces, there's a tool for every task. Remove dust and cobwebs from ceilings with the crevice nozzle. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach places that often get overlooked. The dusting brush is perfect for delicate surfaces like lampshades and bookshelves. It gently removes dust without causing any damage. And for upholstery, the upholstery tool gently lifts away pet hair and crumbs. It's ideal for keeping your furniture looking fresh and clean. Need to tackle a tight space? The AIRDIYA VG3 has you covered. The AIRDIYA VG3 effortlessly transforms into a handheld vacuum, allowing you to reach under furniture, between cushions and inside your car with ease. No more struggling with bulky equipment, just seamless, efficient cleaning. Long-lasting power. Go cordless with confidence. With the AIRDIYA VG3, you can experience the freedom of movement without being tethered to a wall outlet. No more tripping over cords or having to constantly switch outlets as you move from room to room. Say goodbye to the limitations of cords. Traditional vacuums can be cumbersome and restrictive, but with the AIRDIYA VG3, you can clean with ease and efficiency. The AIRDIYA VG3 is powered by a long-lasting detachable battery. This means you can easily swap out batteries if needed, ensuring that your cleaning sessions are never interrupted. Enjoy up to 45 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning time on a single charge. more than enough to tackle even the largest of homes. Whether you're cleaning multiple rooms, a large living area, or even the stairway, the AIRDIYA VG3 has got you covered. When it's time to recharge, simply connect the battery to the charging dock. The process is quick and hassle-free, so you can get back to cleaning in no time. The AIRDIYA VG3's fast-charging technology ensures your vacuum is back to full power in no time, ready for its next cleaning mission. Cordless freedom, powerful performance. With its efficient charging system, you won't have to wait long to get back to your cleaning tasks. The AIRDIYA VG3 empowers you to clean your way, on your own terms. Its lightweight design and powerful suction make it easy to maneuver, allowing you to clean under furniture and in hard-to-reach places with ease.